name is Aniket Pawar. I am currently working at Dassault Systèmes as a technical support engineer for SIMULIA. I have around 2 years of experience in mechanical design and structural simulation domain. As technology keeps evolving, it is important to stay updated with the latest knowledge. So EduplusNow has really helped me with the programming concepts, data science, data engineering and data analysis. The experienced faculty, mentorship, as well as the mock interview sessions provided, as well as the guest lectures have been really helpful for me. The programming skills are very helpful for my day-to-day tasks such as abacus scripting, customization, as well as subroutines. Additionally, the data analysis skills are very helpful in my day-to-day task management as well as the KPI monitoring. Based on the knowledge I have gained in this course, I have started working on the real-time projects and case studies related to machine learning as well as the data engineering. So thank you EduplusNow for providing the great learning opportunity and the guidance for me.